Good day, my name's Ted Jones and I'm with MarineMax and Stuart. Welcome aboard this brand new 230 Boston Whaler Vantage. This dual console is absolutely beautiful. As we look at the helm, configured very nicely. Raymarine GPS fish finder combination, has a VHF radio, easy access to your switches, phenomenal sounding stereo. This boat does have the bow cushion package, including the filler cushion, which is in at the moment, and then all those cushions remove very easily if you are fishing the boat. But the cushions are great when you're cruising around with a family or hanging out at the sandbar. This boat has a very nice feature of a good size head compartment with a proper marine toilet. There's also a tremendous amount of room on the opposite side behind the steering helm for storage. As we look at the passenger side, it has at first glance a conventional back-to-back seat, but Whaler designed this very uniquely. With a flip of a switch, this seat folds into a sun lounger and it will actually even lay down flat. Very comfortable, very comfortable. The helm seat is configured as a bucket seat, but also as a bolster. So you can flip the cushion on the front of it up and down, flip it up. It's easy to drive the boat standing up, or put the bolster down, very comfortable. Boat has a nice sink set up with a removable Yeti cooler underneath it, and a huge back seat that is extremely comfortable, but does fold up to get out of your way. Boat's powered by a 300 Mercury 4-stroke, fantastic running engine. And the boat has little features, nice freshwater shower rinse down at the back. You know, when it comes to comfort, it comes to ride, this boat really fits the bill. Going to the sandbar, running around with the family, phenomenal boat. And it is a beautiful blue color on the hull sides and under the hardtop. Well, for more information on this boat or to get out and take a ride on it, please give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.